Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's Halloween weekend, and I'm like I'm not gonna do a Halloween look. It's not my thing, so don't even come for me. So I'm just gonna create another cute look, with this palette from Barbie Things X or Makeup by Yolondo X Barbie Things. So if you wanna see what look I come up with, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, so we're gonna play with this video with this palette today. I'm actually gonna do another simple look in my book. I know you guys sometimes don't think it's simple, but it's simple. So I'm gonna use this brush. This is a T83 from Makeup Shack, and I'm gonna go into this shade right here called Influence R, and I'm just gonna put this like on all over my lid. Something you just have to do something quick. I'm actually not doing too much today. I'm going to Trader Joe's because I need some stuff from there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, and I need to go to Sephora because I need to go get some more foundations for my Foundation Friday videos. And they have 20% off, which is the time to get your stuff. Well, I think it's like 20 and 15%. I'm gonna do like another. I did it I think a couple weeks ago and I liked it. I'm recording like hella early in the morning. It's like 10 o'clock. Was it 10? Yeah. Maybe a little bit after 10. Like so. And then we're gonna use her other brush or her brush from her palette. Oh, it's like a little collection thing. So it had a brush and then the palette. And then I'm just gonna use that to buff the sides. And we're gonna go into Patrick, which is this shade right here. I think, yeah. I feel like this, I'm losing like that purpley shade, but we'll see what happens. And just keep on blending, keep on blending. So, and now I'm gonna go back to that shade. Dude, I get this pencil. This is from Valentino and it is amazing. Amazing. I think this is the best eye pencil I've ever used. And there's no tugging on the skin, like nothing. Perfect. It's so good. Hey, look at this. Like I'm usually terrible with my wing, like so bad, and it just goes so good. Okay, so that's it for this eye. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back and ready to talk about this, little baby, my Covergirl Outlast Extreme Foundation. So I'm already primed. Oh my god, this is gonna look light. I don't know, we'll see. My god, I can't even find my concealer. Right here, I'm gonna use my Tarte Shape Tape in shade light medium. I think this shade is like way too light for me, but yep. But I already have it, so we're gonna use it. Let us use This is from Mario, and I'm gonna use this to bronze. And this is a bareMinerals Blooming Blush. It's a blush brush, but it's just like a kind of a tapered brush like so, and I like to use it for this because I feel like it's like perfect for here. See, like right here. This is so good. Like, guys, if you can lay your hands on this, like, especially now that Sephora has their VIB sale, now it's the time to stock up on your high-end stuff that you get or wants to get, because I know sometimes the stuff can be pretty pricey, you know, and if you can get a 20% off or 15% off, it's why not. Why not? You know, the little chisel the cheeks a bit. So I'm done with that, and let us blend Miss Concealer. This concealer, you def can't leave it for a very long time because it's, oh my god, you see, it gets dry real fast, and you can be out for a problem like I do, like I have right now.
A few minutes later.
I need something to set it and forget it. I'm gonna use not this. I don't know, I'm trying to find something that I haven't used for a minute because I feel like I use the same things all the time, and I have like a whole stack of powders here, so yeah. So this is from Huda, and then it is Blondie, which I took off the net. Don't do that, it is the worst idea, but it was taking forever to pour, so I was like, I'm just gonna do this, and then it just goes everywhere, like everywhere. Just make sure you tap there so it's like there's no or very little creasing, and then you just press this, and then we're gonna set the rest of my face. I'm also gonna use my Huda Beauty powder, but I'm gonna use Conifer, I think, yeah. Perfect. Perfect. My lips feels so dry. So dry. I like the little things. Actually, I think I got it like a pack from Amazon, and it works wonders. Wonders. Okay. I'm just gonna prep my lid, and then we're gonna jump into the rest of the face real quick. I don't know, maybe just one shade under here. This is actually a M213 from Morphe. I just like any flat blush like this because I feel like it just works perfect for under here. Oh, I need a little dusty situation. Okay, that is it for the eye. Now let's go to the face. To the face. Some of this stuff like I haven't used in like forever, like this Morphe. This is Brown Tar Vlogger. Just, you know, bronzing up the face. I think I'm gonna tight line it a little bit, you know, just to. So I'm going more, it's like a double side, so I'm going more to this side to kind of just bring some color in my face. Like so. Now I want to make it a little bit more. But I need a brush. This is what? This is from Sephora. It is the Pro line. What brush is this? I think it's the Demi Eventail 70. And I'm going into the darker shade. And then I'm just gonna put this like right here, like so. Man, it is so windy outside, like you can hear like I'm recording upstairs and then like, come on, what is happening? And then for my blush, actually no, I'm gonna use this Pat McGrath blush. It is the Blush Without Caution Sexy Quit. And then it's this shade, looks like so, which is like pretty. I'm like a blush girl. Actually, I'm not. I'm not the blush girl. Trying to get into blush. Kind of more blush. Woo! Woo! That is a lot of blush. It's like somebody punched me in the face. Then, dude, this is the trophy wife from Rihanna. It is like insane. Like, look at this. Like, I just put like a little bit. Just a little bit, cause whoo, honey, this is like a little spritzy. I'm gonna use this. This is from Professional Super Setter. What is this? This is Vintage Retro from NYX. I'm gonna use this in forever. So this is from MAC, and this is the number 106 Interruptions Varnish. Dude, I don't even know if they still carry this, so yeah, hopefully they do. But I would not be surprised if they don't, because they're known for that. I know, I'm always like looking over here, like I do that because I have a mirror right there. People are like, what is she looking at over here? My mirror. Okay, so that's it for this video. I actually really like how the look came out. A little bit ready, vampy, so maybe that is my spin on Halloween, because I don't go like all crazy. So yeah, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what? I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.